What's up guys, today we're going to talk about releasing the rear electric parking brake on the 2019 Mazda CX-5. This is what you're going to need to do if you're doing any rear brake work. I believe this should apply to all CX-5s 2017 up to 2025, so let's get right into it. Okay, so we're going to get in the car and we're going to turn on the ignition without starting the engine. So to do that, we're going to press the start button twice, but we aren't going to hold the brake pedal down. Now we need to make sure our parking brake is off. Mine is on because this light is on. Yours might be off already, but to turn it off, you need to press the brake pedal in and push down. Now the light's off there, and the brake light right there is off. Right here, we're going to see there's no light on. That means we're in normal. Once we turn it off, we're going to see a light here. Now, the special sequence we have to do to turn the electronic parking brake off. We need to push the gas pedal straight to the floor. Make sure the engine's not on. I know this is a little weird. I don't know how to come up with this. Gas pedal to the floor. Parking brake button push down. Now press the start, stop button 3 times. All right, and now we see that light. That means our electronic parking brake is disengaged. Hope this video helped you. If it did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.